It's for the YouTube. What the hell?
Y'all ready?
Oh, can I put that on the internet? Code 1300. Alright, who walking in first? Oh shit. We're here for the move, but we still get set the vibes. Come on now, y'all. I don't know me. Vibe King. Alright.
Crawford Williams, the third.
Oh my gosh. That's his size too. In it, Prosper.
Yo, no, he's been losing weight. Don't
Flip that color. Almost looks, oh damn, with the earrings too, bro.
What can I say?
Hey, yo.
Alright, show me the video.
And so tell people about your new girlfriend. Oh,
She's from Canada. Vancouver, specifically.
Oh, damn.
I met her in Vegas. Love story.
Oh my gosh, you speak French or not?
Gusto de chocolate.
The answer is yes. So the camera died, so we're just gonna use the phone cam. As you guys can see, we got this mean sandwich here. Some goddamn green onions, cheese, avocado, turkey, monster cheese, barbecue sauce, and that's everything. You guys are 30 here. And what do you have in yours?
It's already nothing on my sandwich anymore.
I have cucumber in mine too. I guess we have the same sandwich pretty much.
I have turkey Swiss, green onions, and jalapenos.
That's true. I'll just use these, dude. Bro, they'll push your video more for that. And like I said, since I know TikTok isn't like main platform, you can only gain from that. We just got some tacos, quick burrito tacos. We're about to slide out of here. I'm checking with y'all. And this video, let this be a reminder to not only myself, but anybody out there that's working through something right now, is to, and pretty much whatever you're going through, just remember, you have a plan, right mindset, you can make it happen, bro. Don't let this superficial shit outside of your internal dialogue affect you. What makes it happen? Keep pushing. I'm gonna run YouTube out here in the street. My nose is fucking itchy, but at least I look good. I'm supposed to be in Miami right now with a group of friends, but that's just not how this shit worked out, at least for the time being. I do wish I was there, but I'm gonna see everybody in LA come May, so it's green then. Anyways, aside from that, let's get to this run.
I can't eat nothing else.
So
I just want a little piece of that cookie, don't taste it. It's that cookie.
See, he's attacking his rib right now. Let's see how that go down. Good flavor? Pretty good. Cheers. There you go. Can you guys, was it because the water's gonna fall?
What if she got that answer from? Oh, look, she is in it. She have a raise for her birthday. She loves it.
There you go.
She loves jump parties too. So I'm going to
There you go. I have a couple cavities. I wonder what it's from. My thoughts? Probably from eating your feet. Let me stop. Damn, my teeth is clean. Ow, shit. Let them get behind the back of my mouth. Got my x-rays. My pretty whites. Just waiting to get x-rays on your hope. I need help for real. Anyways, hope y'all had a good one. Hope y'all enjoyed the video so far. Leave a comment. I'm getting my hair braided later. Just twist it up and shit right now. But yeah, I'll stay tuned, man. I'm hungry as shit. I didn't sleep except for the 15 minutes I was in the Uber. Other than that, zero sleep. So let's do it. I hear the machine's running, y'all. This is your bitch sound like when she by me. Now let me stop. Y'all, so today's video is gonna be about you and continuing to go and keep pushing and stuff. And the reason I'm gonna make this video is because I just posted on my short form a video of me at the beginning when I was like 18, 19, and then video clips of my life the past probably year, right? And it's an amazing video to take a quick look at. It's only 10 seconds long, but it makes me think about how far I've come and the importance of continuing to push forward and keep going. So that's what we're about to talk about. I'm about to get somewhere a little bit safer because I am on a walk, so we're gonna check it out. Oh yeah. Bring out the time to eat. Just got the hair refresh. We're going to get the Cheddar's. Good little fam time, you feel me? I always get to spend time with the family. Then after this, I'm gonna vlog. We're gonna see my niece, my brother, my sister-in-law, and have a cool vibe. So I always gotta open the door for them. A little noodle head, boy. Noodle head. I'll see this $7.99 for a salmon teriyaki bowl. Give me some of that. Chicken barbecue pieces. And they taxing on that. Pork, damn. I don't eat pork though. It was good. Quick little protein. Where the protein cup thing?
I keep seeing the core parts that you say you asked.
So my mom said that the raw fish is over here, so we're gonna check this out now. Let's see what it's hitting on.
moonfish.
Oh wow, nice and fresh. If y'all can smell what I'm smelling, I'm not capping. See, if y'all don't know, this is Houston. We got it like that. Viewers are pretty good. I actually like that. 20 now. So we're going into Seafood City right quick. Visiting the fam. Suburban View today. Let's go.
There ain't no pan. If it ain't in there, then we not doing it. Because this is different.
Sure will put you in that chair.
He didn't want to let you know.
We're gonna take one of your teeth just until you pay us back. We're gonna take one out.
The last time I helped.
Best soul food ever from me cooking. And it always have black shark. Like WB. All you gotta do is say WB. The 70s, all of them. Diane Carroll, just black series.
So, what are you
My
gonna
wife
cook?
and kids.
And it'll be so elite because it's only 10 people.
But what's the cuisine?
I'm cooking. That's all we need to know. I'm cooking. I can go any direction with it.
I'll be in there if we on like some
All I
Bernie
know is
Mac.
y'all better get on the wait list now.
No, I'm gonna be a ambassador.
Absolutely. What is happening? There's that.
We're gonna do that.
So your Sigma Vision, we accept the IMAN that
These ones are not making the cut. I'm gonna put this one on again. Let's see. So every time, ain't that right, Slack?
5th grade, 6th grade, 7th.
Gangs all here. These could be decent. These are similar. These are plastic though. So it's time for some frizzies. Fam will be here in a second. Let's take a look at these. What do you think about these ones? These kind of look similar to what I already have. Good shape. The metal this time, which is preferred. Trying to grow up. Get out these plastic frames. I was in bed and I laid down, rolled over and broke. So it's just time to get it right.
All right, so I'm gonna raise the machine for your comfort. Gonna come forward and touch the machine with your forehead. Read the letter.
A,
One more, please.
T.
Perfect. Keep looking. I'm gonna give you two options. You just have to tell me which option is clearer for you. Or you can say they're exactly the same in clarity. So which is clearer? 1 or 2?
You do it again?
1, 2.
1,
5, 6.
6.
Or you can say they're exactly the same. One more time. 5, 6.
6.
Good. 11, 12, or about the same.
Yeah,
About the same.
about the same.
9, 10,
9's a little bit clearer.
5, 6.
6.
One more time. 5, 6. I'll do it again. 5, 6.
5.
Perfect.
I'm gonna get some new frames so y'all can see these ones are busted to fight. So I'm gonna get some new frames. I don't know. It's gonna be a good shape. I did bring these big sunglasses with this shape that actually is similar to these ones. These are just bigger, so probably some smaller. So we're gonna see. We're gonna go through the frame picking process and all that jazz. So y'all stay tuned. What's up, YouTube? I apologize for neglecting y'all, truly, because I really just want to do YouTube full time for real. So let me tell y'all, I filled up all my SD cards, and because of that, I have not filmed on my camera. Also, when I went to Austin, one of the screws on my camera fell off, so now it's like barely hanging on. So also gotta get some screws for that. So I'm a little screwed right now. Don't get it misconstrued though. We're about to put in these contacts. We're going for a run. I really don't have that much time because I'm meeting at 12 and it's currently 10:36. But even on a slow jog run, it really only takes me, I don't know, like 20 minutes maybe to get where I'm trying to go. So, hour and a half, not even no more. But splitting all that time up, I'll be back before then. I'm pretty confident I will be. So that's the only reason why I'm going out. Plus, it's my time. I don't give a fuck. The meeting I'm having right now is with my financial planner and advisor. And this is like it's a follow-up meeting, so I really don't necessarily need this one. It was just to discuss a few options for some of the things I'm working on. Some of the buckets or plans or ideas thing. I really don't want to do the meeting today. But I'm going to shout out to Austin and I'm gonna make it make sense today. But to be honest, everything else is gonna go pretty up and feel like a motherfucker. Editing up, I gotta pick out what I'm gonna post today. I gotta do that prior to, if not during, my meeting today because I need to stay on top of the schedule. I like to get everything out before noon. So we go, and I'm gonna start live streaming again on TikTok because
Man.
Saturday.
Shit.
So I'm trying to do everything. Stay tuned.
Now tell me